Now, Harry, what are all the things that grown-ups do? Light a fire, use the oven mitt, turn a key. What else do grown-ups do? Check out books at the library. Yeah, what else? Use the computer. What else do grown-ups do? Be silly sometimes, yeah. You're good at that. You're a big grown-up now?
You use the car, Harry? You got the car keys?
Yeah, I'm a big grown-up.
Yeah?
I can drive a car. It's got a key. It's a pedal.
Uh-huh.
And I can honk a horn.
Honk the horn. Oh, yeah. What else do grown-ups do? Read a newspaper. Okay. What else? Clean up after little brothers? Yeah. What about Nathan? Are you a grown-up? Are you a big boy? Nathan can come. You gonna do his buckles?
Yeah.
Oh, Nathan's got the camera.